What is a recession? A recession is a normal stage of the business cycle. The business cycle is defined as recurring fluctuations in economic activity. The business cycle is comprised of 4 stages. Number 1, expansion, time of economic prosperity and growth, rise in GDP, low unemployment. Number 2, peak, highest point of economic activity, highest wages, lowest unemployment. Number 3, recession, slowdown in economic activity, decline in productivity, rising unemployment. Number 4, trough, lowest point of economic activity, highest levels of unemployment, lowest wages. A recession is 2 or more consecutive quarters of decline in gross domestic product, GDP. GDP is the total value of all goods and services produced within a country. It takes at least 2 quarters to officially identify a recession. A recession is a contradiction in the business cycle. The supply of goods and services exceeds the demand for goods and services. The decrease in demand for goods leads to layoffs of employees. Increased employee layoffs lead to higher unemployment levels. Higher unemployment causes rising consumer bankruptcies and foreclosures. Laid off employees purchase fewer goods. Money becomes tighter as consumers tighten their belts and spend less. Less efficient companies that are laden with debt are driven out of business. The bankruptcies of businesses leads to a decrease in the supply of goods available and demand begins to slowly recover. A recession can be as short as 6 months or last for years. A recession that is very severe and long-lasting can be referred to as a depression. Recessions eliminate inefficient suppliers, lower prices, reduce inventory, and encourage competition.